Okay, here I am going to explain few more questions on section formula. Then I will go to the another, that is area. Find the area is left for that one. Third part, that is here you see find the ratio. I mean we are going to find m1 m2. Find the ratio in which the line 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 divide the line segment joining the points 8 comma minus 9 and 2 comma 1. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. I mean P. We generally take a point of division is Px comma y. We are going to find, as well as ratio also we are going to find. That we are ratio, we can take m1 m2 here, and a is 0.8 comma minus 9, b 2 comma 1. So x1 is 8, x2 is 2, y1 equal to minus 9, y2 equal to 1. So by substituting in the section formula of x coordinate, we are getting x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. That is by substituting 2m1 plus 8m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is coordinate of x coordinate of the section formula. And y coordinate of the section formula, you know that m1 y2 plus m2, y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here y1 y2 value substitute, we are getting y equal to m1 minus 9m2 upon m1 plus m2. So you are ready with the x and y coordinates of the section formula. So then these two are satisfy the given equation. I mean this line is on this, I mean this point P of x comma y is on 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. What is the meaning of line point is on the line? It will be satisfy the given equation. What is the meaning of satisfy? I mean by substituting this x and y in the equation, you will be get RHS 0. That is 2x. Instead of x I am substituting the here x coordinate plus 3y. Instead of y I am substituting the y value minus 5 equal to 0. Clear to you? So because it satisfies the equation, so you are sending the, I mean by opening the bracket, you will be get here 4m1 plus 16m2 plus 3m1 minus 27m2 upon m1 plus m2, because both denominators are the same. Minus 5 becomes this side plus 5, and by opening the bracket and solve the equations, and we will be get 2m1 minus 16m2 equal to 0. Clearly you need to some rough work there. So taking LCM, and 5m1 plus 5m minus 5m1 minus 5m2 will come by taking the LCM. So after getting the values of this m1, 2m1 equal to 16m2. Clear to you? So 2 8 is 16. So automatically we will be get m1 is to m2 equal to 8 is to 1. I mean your ratio is ready. Now what is left? To find the coordinates. What are your coordinates here? X coordinate is there, y coordinate is there. So if you substitute the values of m1 m2, your coordinate, I mean point of intersection, is also ready. That is x coordinate by substituting the value m1 equal to 8, m2 equal to 1, then you are getting x equal to 8 by 3 and y equal to minus 1 upon 9. So your intersection point, I mean section formula, by section formula what you are finding, that point P x comma y equal to 8 upon 3 comma minus 1 upon 9. So very important model, many times asked in the exam, many times repeated this. So this type of questions rarely, I mean this is given in somewhere your reference books also, you can see this type of question rarely asked, and this see how many marks it is given, 3 marks are given. This is the marking scheme also very helpful to you. So you need to mention the steps clear. How here you can observe that one, how the steps are mentioning here is also very important. So I will go to the one more sum. It is also very important. So I taken many sums in the section formula. Why I am taken 3 marks question will be asked on the basis of section formula. 4 marks question will be asked on the basis of the area of triangle, that is coming in the next revision part. Okay, see here 16 and question number 16, I mean according to me, that is find the coordinates of the point of trisection. See, we are in the section formula, only one intersection point is there. Here 2 intersection points are there. Diagram is very helpful to you. In that also A and B are there, but only P point is there. Here you see one more point Q also there. So internally you need to understand P and Q. A, P, Q, B. all are equal distance. Internally, trisection means it will be intersect in equal ratio. I mean 3 are equal distance, and in equal ratio 2 is to 2 is to 2 or 1 is to 1 is to 1. So commonly we are taking 1 1 1, I mean m11 and m21 m3 also, if three parts are there. So first we want to find the point P. You see here, where is point P after A? I mean A to P 1 unit, P to Q another unit, Q to B another unit. I mean you want to find the P value. I mean A to P ratio m1, P to Q 1 plus 1 2. I mean m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2. It's very important. See, let P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 divides AB into 3 equal parts. So this is not given in the question. Trisection means you need to understand 3 equal parts. So I mean first part versus remaining part we are taking. So first part is m1, second part is including 2. So 1 plus 1 2 will come, m2 equal to. So because m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2. So bisection formula to finding the value of P coordinates, x1 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 m plus m2, that we are getting 2 minus 3 upon 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m3, you are getting minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0 upon 3 is 0. So your coordinates of P is ready. Now minus 1 comma 3 comma 0, only P find out. You see, very important thing, Q. How to find the Q? Q find in two ways. You can find the Q by section formula, as well as if you think little bit 2 seconds, you will get an idea. Q is the midpoint of PB. Yes or no? Q is the midpoint of PB. So P coordinates we know. So we can find Q by using the mid formula. Before P, we can't find by mid formula because we don't know Q. Clear to you? I mean here out of P and Q, one by the section formula, another by midpoint formula. So you see, what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x coordinate is, that is minus 1 by 3, that is x1, and x2 is yours. This is reference of B point, minus 3 upon 2. By taking LCM, you will be get minus 10 by 6 is by cancelling or reducing the form minus 5 by 3. That is y2, means average of y coordinates 0 and 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now Q point is ready, minus 5 upon 3 comma 2. So like this, here we can find out the trisection. Like 4 parts also there. I clearly explained the question in the exercise wise videos. You observe that one. There is a 4 parts. 4 parts is also very easy here. In 4 parts also they cannot say to you 4 equal parts you need to take. I mean all are equal. I mean no need to use their section formula, because P, Q, R, A, B, P, Q, R. First you can write P, Q. Q is the midpoint of AB, so easy to find. P is the midpoint of AQ, like that Q is the midpoint of another 2 points. So directly by using the midpoints we can find that one. That is also very important here. You see here, and one interesting question I will try to explain to here. You see, so just section formula I taken many sums. So now I am going to little bit explain the area of triangle here. So new topic, that is 7.3 exercise in the textbook. That is, you see here, and this is C. This is sometime 3 marks, sometime 4 marks, according to the question it will become. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 7 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 7 and 3 comma 0. So here you need to remember the area of triangle formula. Generally we are using the area of triangle half into base into height. So here that formula we are not using. Yes, specific formula is given for the chapter number 7, I mean coordinate geometry, according to the coordinate geometry. You see here formula, I will read once. Area of the triangle equal to, this is a triangle symbol, so 1 upon 2 of, sometimes we will write mod symbol also, because area of triangle always positive. When you by calculation anything negative is coming, at last we are taking the positive. Clear to you? That is formula is x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. I given here, you see, observe, x1 equal to minus 7, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 3, y1 equal to minus 3, y2 equal to minus 7, y3 equal to 0. All the values are ready. Only substitute in the area of the triangle. We will get, you see here, by substituting all the values in the first one, 1 upon 2, x1 minus 7, and you see y2 minus y3 minus 7 minus 0 plus x2 is 1 and y3 minus y1, see, minus minus plus. Clear to you? So 0 minus into minus plus 1, and x3 is 3, y1 minus y2 minus 3 minus y2 is minus 7. So that is in the next step it becomes minus into minus plus 7. So see, simple, inside brackets open according to the board mass, we are getting 1 by 2 of minus 7 in bracket minus 7. Minus 7 minus 7, 49 will come here, as well as 1 into 3, 3, that is 3 will become here. In the third part, minus 3 of minus 3 plus 7 is 4. 4 3 is a 12. See, 1 upon 2 of 49 plus 3 plus 12 equal to 1 by 2. Adding all 49, 3 and 12, you will get 64. 2 3 is 2 2 is. So your answer is 32 square units. So here any measurements are not given. I mean, this triangle you are going to form on coordinate system. I mean, on the graph paper, all square units are there. So you compulsory to write the units, square units here. If it is not given any units in the question also, you need to mention square units. So this is an important question. You see here, this also related to that only. It is textbook question only. In the last exercise, you observe that one. Just again, I am going to repeat one more sum for the related to the area of triangle. So again, I am giving the 3 vertices of the triangle here. Just you are going to find the area of the triangle. This sum is given for practice. In the examination, this type of questions are frequently asking. So you need to practice more sums on the basis of the area of triangle. Clear to you? So that is, see, let the vertices of the triangle A, B, C given. So according to that, x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 2, y3 equal to minus 1. Here 2 sums are there. One sum I am explaining, and in the exercise wise videos also I explain this sum to you. So here formula ready for you. Area of triangle equal to 1 upon 2 of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. So your x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are ready. By substituting, you are getting 1 by 2 of, that is x1 is 2, y2 is 0, y3 is minus 4, and here minus is the formula minus, plus x2 is minus 2, y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 3, plus x3 is 2 and y1 minus y2 3 minus 0. Just to open the bracket, you will get a minus into minus plus 4, and here plus into minus minus 1. Clear to you? And minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Both are minus. So you will be get 2 4 is 8, and minus this is minus into minus plus. Clear to you? Minus 7 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7. 2 3 is 6. So all become positive. 8 7 15 6 21. So 21 by 2 means 10.5 square units, or 21 by 2 square units. Like this, we can find the area of triangle by using the special formula. This is an important model. You need to observe that one. So I will go through many sums related to the area of triangle in the next revision part. Okay.